can understand the question.
Okay, you did understand the question. Uh, okay, so what about others? You understood? What about others?
No, sir.
Lamisa, Lamisa, you understood? Badsha Fahad, you understood?
No, sir.
A little bit.
Yeah, you understood little bit. Then Taki, look, Taki is
I drew a picture.
yeah. Then Adrita, what
Yes,
about
sir.
you? You understood
This
anything?
one, yes, but I did not understand how to use a set square.
Sir,
Okay,
I didn't understand anything.
No
okay.
one understood. Sir,
No
I
one.
didn't understand how to
So,
place the
so can you read it? Can you read it, please, from the beginning? Yeah, Taki,
Yes,
read,
sir.
read from the
Yes, sir.
beginning.
A student is given a box containing 10 similar plastic drinking straws, a 30-centimeter ruler, and two set squares. Explain how the student determines an average value for the external diameter of the straws using this apparatus. Draw a diagram to illustrate your answer.
Okay, so they are talking about how many? 10.
Yes,
10
sir. 10.
straws. And if you want to measure a single one, then the measurement you will get from the ruler, it will not give you that much accurate result, right? But
Yes.
if you are taking all 10 straws together and the uh, horizontal, if you are keeping them side by side, one after another, and you are keeping the ruler above them, you can measure their altogether their diameter, right? Diameter of 10 straws. Like maybe it's coming for all of them 9 centimeter, right? Or 8.5 centimeter is coming. Then you
Yes.
can divide the value with 10 and you can have the diameter of a single straw. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, if you are taking only one, that time the value you are getting, there might be some errors, right? But if you are
Yeah.
taking the measurements for all and taking the average, then it will have less error.
For 10 straw.
Yeah, 10 straws. So if you are getting the average, then you are getting less errors, right?
Yeah.
And to make it more accurate, we are using set squares. Why? Because while you are even using the ruler for 10 straws together, that time also because of parallax error, there might be little bit, maybe it will be zero point 0.1 centimeter wrong or zero point 0.2 centimeter wrong. But that one is also an error, right? That error also we want to reduce. Is it clear? That's why we want our set squares.
Sir,
So
I
that
didn't understand.
so
we don't
that
understand.
uh,
Sir, I
because
didn't understand.
yes, I'm showing you. Okay. I'm showing you. Look, what is called parallax error? Like your reading is here, right? Uh, this line, huh? Can you see? This one is giving you 60 and this one is 80. Your reading should be 70, isn't it? Hello?
yes.
But the because of the parallax error, as the eye position is not aligned with the line,
Hello.
yeah, there is some error during seeing or taking the reading. So that kinds of error, because of this error, the person is seeing that is at 68 degree, right? 68 degree. Other than 70, the person is seeing the reading as 68. Do you see clearly?
Yes.
So these kinds of error are called parallax error. So it is also possible that when you are measuring the diameter of 10 straws together, one after another you are keeping, but you are using the ruler, it is possible that uh, you have some parallax error during seeing. To avoid this kinds of parallax error in reading, we have to use the set squares. Do you understand why we are using set squares? So that we can place the set square here and we can get the value correctly.
And we can avoid the parallax error.
Yeah, look, now I am showing you how we can avoid the set parallax error by using set square. Here is one spring, right? We want to measure the length of the spring, and if you just keep the spring on the ruler, then there might be some problem like your because of your there are lots of lines, right, of the spring, and your eyes cannot fix on a single line, and you cannot get the, sometimes it will be mistake to take the readings. That's why we are keeping the set square on the ruler. We are keeping one side of the set square, and other part of the set square we are keeping on the spring, so that we can get the value accurately. Is it clear how to use the set square?
Sir, instead of their square, we can use other instruments, right?
Yeah, you can use other instrument also, but as we have in our lab set squares, or we are always having in our geometry box, so it's better
We
to
can
use
also
Yeah.
use
this.
another scale,
And we will
right?
get the measurement accurately. That is
Yeah,
why.
and
Yes.
another point is you can hold it, we can set it in different ways, right? Set
Yeah,
square,
yeah.
you have different types of shapes here. This type of shape is smaller one, bigger one. So
What
it
about a scale?
yeah,
Can we use a scale?
you can also use scale. That's also you can use. But if you use set square, you can fix it easily, right? It will not move from there, and you can hold it here easily. Huh? This because of this sharp edge. Okay, and you can set it, and it will not move from there. And it is a smaller one, isn't it? Hello, and
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
look, normally what happens in our geometry box, or with us, we have only one ruler, huh? And we have set squares. So
Two city
Two set
squares.
squares.
if you are using ruler for one purpose, then you cannot use that one for other purpose. Okay, that is one point. And normally we don't keep several rulers in our geometry box, right? Only one ruler we keep. That's why. Is it clear now
Yes, sir.
Yes.
why we are using set squares? Now we can see other position of the set square. You look here. This way
Like
also we
measuring a
can keep the,
ball.
yeah. You see both sides of this one can be happen for also measuring cylinder or the straws we are talking about. If your 10 straws are here kept one after another, 10 straws, then at the end of uh, the first straw, and at the end of the 10th straw you are keeping, and your ruler is here, huh? Your ruler is here,
Yeah.
so you can have the reading here correctly. You do not need to go again and again, right? You can see it clearly over there. You just keep it there and you can get it there. Is it clear? And Lamisa also did that one nicely here. Lamisa sent me this one. Look,
Wow.
yeah, one thing you have to do, Lamisa, that is this set square, you have to bring more closer to this last end, huh? End of this
And so the scale
saw.
should be in
Yeah,
the
and
upper
the
side.
scale should be more closer and scale should be bigger. Your scale is not that small, right? This one is bigger one, 15-meter one, 15 centimeter one or 30 centimeter one. So Lamisa, you understood now? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How to use the set square? So all these things you have to write in that place. You see here, we have to write this in this place, the steps. You have 3 steps. Anmol, hello Anmol.
Sir?
You are showing anything to us?
No, sir.
Okay. So your picture, you gave something interesting.
No, sir. It's nothing, sir. It's a emoji, sir.
Okay, it's an emoji. Okay. It's a nice emoji, right? You are always happy, happy boy. Look, this place is for diagram and this place for writing those things you are doing, right? Those steps you are doing. So what are the steps? The first step, can anyone tell me? You wrote last week.
I don't remember.
Sir, the first step is to draw the 10 straws side by side. Then beneath the straws, we will draw a scale, and at each side of the straw, we will draw 2 set
Okay,
squares.
I'm allowing you to write here. Huh? You can write here. I'm allowing you to write. Can you write here text? Lamisa, what you
Sir,
say?
there is no annotate.
Yeah, it's coming. You can write now.
It's not coming.
Only Lamisa will write, huh? Other
Okay,
students you
now,
don't.
now I feel it. Okay,
Other
wait.
students you stop, huh? Let Lamisa write the points.
So, okay, suppose this is straws. We will draw 10 straws.
Are you drawing, Lamisa?
10 straws side by side. Okay, this is 10 straws. I don't know if it's 10. Then we will draw a scale
Sir
beneath.
said to write the explanation, not drawing.
Abdullah Mahid is coming, mashallah.
Write the steps. Write the
Excuse me,
steps,
sir.
Lamisa. The
Hello.
steps.
Yes,
Like, could you please take a look at my drawing?
yeah. Which one? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So
It's okay.
Good, good.
you send this picture to us in our group.
But I'm not connected in Messenger.
You are
Sir,
not
First,
messenger দিয়ে দিব।
you are not connected in group.
No.
Okay, so you
Sir,
send me
she can
just
do
an
one thing.
email, no problem.
She can
Sir, I give it.
give us the picture and we will post it in the group.
Yeah,
I
because
gave
it's
it.
a
Okay,
I
zero.
did
okay.
I
it.
know it.
Sir,
Good job.
Yes,
you
she
can
can
check.
do that. Yes, she can do that. Now, Lamisa, can you write all these 3 points here? Text, in text format you write. Text format. That will be easier for you
yes,
to write.
I'm writing in
There
text
is no
format.
text format.
Yeah, text format you write quickly so that everyone can have it quickly.
Sir, apparently, there's no text
Then,
section in the analytics section.
There is no text.
no,
There is no option.
No text option there,
No.
but
sir, I'm texting.
yeah,
Can't you see it?
No, we can't.
You're
No, no,
typing.
we are only seeing that
Not
you are
And you're
writing
typing.
step one.
drawing.
No, I'm typing.
You are typing. So who
I
is
can
writing?
see step 1.
I don't
Hey,
know
who
who.
is writing?
You don't write. Don't write. Later only write. Let Lamisa only
I'm
write. Yeah.
the text.
Sir Abdullah.
Abdullah is doing this.
Okay,
Don't make
everyone, now you
assumptions.
see the text.
Yeah, please.
We,
First, we will
Okay,
draw 10 straws side by side. We will draw a scale beneath the
we need the straws. We
yeah
need the
beneath the
straws.
straws. So this one you wrote draw. You are drawing.
We will
We are
put.
drawing
Place,
fine,
right?
but we will keep 10 straws side by side. Huh? This way, right?
At each side of the
Yeah, we will keep 10 straws side by side.
keep place
Yes.
with squares. Then
স্যার আপনি স্যার ড্রয়িং এর অপশনটা স্যার বন্ধ করে দেন স্যার, তাহলে স্যার এটা স্টেপ করতেছে, শুধু টেক্সটটা রাখুন।
okay, that's it. Okay,
Abdullah
without
Mahid is doing all this.
Sir, I do.
Abdullah
Abdullah, you're
Mahid,
doing
your name
you see
came.
everything without
Bashafad,
eyes.
your name came. I can see your name
Sir,
now.
I highlighted the question, sir, for students.
You do
বাবা
not need to do anything.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
বাচ্চা
Sir,
তুমি
who marked
হাইলাইট
these
করছো
things?
না মুছে দিছো, কি করছে এটা তুমি
Highlight,
স্ক্রিনে?
highlight.
Ah,
Okay, Lamisa, you write please again. Huh? Now I can see who is doing what.
Lamisa, step 1 লিখে ইয়া করো তাহলে ভালো হবে।
Lamisa, you write that we keep the straws together, huh? Side by side. Because drawing we are doing, that's not the related thing with experiment. What we are doing in experiment, that one will come. Okay, Anmol, what
Yes sir,
you are doing?
sir I am doing nothing.
So you gave one
স্যার
dot.
আমার স্যার আমার ল্যাপটপে স্যার অ্যানোটেট কাজ করে না স্যার, দ্যাটস হোয়াই আই ক্যান ডু।
But you gave one small dot.
ওয়েট স্যার,
You removed it.
Like this, you gave a draw.
ও
Bacha, why did you annotate?
No,
তুমি
I was
It's okay.
showing
It's
sir
okay.
that Anmol.
It's okay.
তারপর কি করা যায়? হ্যাঁ মনে আসছে।
Yes,
এই
Lamisa,
কানিজ মিস এটা করতে পারে না?
okay, this is step one. Okay, then
Please,
we will keep the straws side by side. Then second step
It's
you
like
write.
10 straw.
It's fine. It's
You
fine.
have to make
Later write. 10
তারপর
straws we know. Now step two, right, Lamisa?
Sir,
Wait. Taki, wait. Patience.
okay, sir.
Just have a look what she is writing. Then we will place scale.
every time this happens.
How is she writing? Wow.
শুনতেছে কোপাইতেছে।
Don't talk. Patience.
সিরিয়াসলি মাস্টার,
Yes. They who are not writing on the screen, you write on your paper. These steps. Next time, don't say that I don't understand, sir, or I cannot remember. Now you write on your copy. Yeah. Then next.
Lamisa, step 1 will be we will keep 10 straws side by
It's
side.
fine, it's fine. The straws. She told the straws, that means we know 10 straws. Then step 3.
Is it okay?
Yeah, 2 steps came. Another steps, we will take 2 set square at each side and place them on the scale. Then finally, Anmol. Now it did by Anmol.
Sir, there are two animals, sir.
Anmol, stop annotating.
Sir,
Why 2
Sir,
Anmol?
there
you
are two
can check,
Anmols.
sir.
Sir, there are
Sir,
two
One is
it's
fake
Anmols.
and one is real.
Then
One
I am
is not a
removing
fake.
both of you.
No, sir.
Should
Sir,
I?
remove the one that has only
Anmol
Anmol written.
Hussain, sir, is the
That's
real
fake.
one.
The one
Oh,
that says
that
Amar
dot
Anmol,
dot
desert
one.
that's the real one.
Sir, is Abdullah, sir. আমার
This
নাম
one,
নিয়েছিল স্যার
Anmol Hussain, this one.
So that's Abdullah. No, no,
আর
no,
No,
এটা
no, no.
sir.
আমি স্যার আনমোল
Then where is
Then
another
we can
one?
grade the reading.
Anmol Munayam.
Anmol, raise your hand.
Munayam.
There is now only one Anmol.
ইয়েস স্যার স্যার
One
আব্দুল
is
Sir.
ছিল
Anmol
স্যার
Munayam.
আমার নাম নিয়ে স্যার আপনি যখন বলেছেন
Yes,
দুইটা
sir.
আনমোল
যেন
তখন ও নেম চেঞ্জ করে
যেন
ফেলেছে
সে স্যার নেম চেঞ্জ করছে যেন সে ইয়ে করতে পারে অ্যানোট করতে পারে
Okay.
এখন
Sir,
সে
we
বেঁচে
will
যায়
check
এর
my
জন্য,
answer.
স্যার।
It's
চালাকি
slightly different.
দেখছো কত চালাক আনমল
করে আব্দুল্লাহ তোর স্কুলে পায় নাই
Sir,
তারা
Okay, then we will
Yeah,
take
yeah.
2 set squares at each side
Place
and
them on.
place them on the scale. I will talk to Abdullah's parents then. We have all these
Then we
proofs
will
in
grade, then
the
we can grade the
recording.
reading without any
Now,
paradox
look,
error.
we have to
may I
take
tell
the
my answer?
average, right? We have to take the average of the readings. Is it clear? Finally, you will write that right here. Write somewhere at the top.
Finally,
Yeah, at the top somewhere you write. Finally, we have to take the average of the readings to get diameter of each of the straws.
So finally,
We have to take the average of the readings
therefore,
to find the diameter
to
thank you, Badsha.
find the
Diameter.
diameter of each of the straws. So is it clear now, everyone?
yes.
yes sir
And drawing also clear to you, right? How to draw?
Sir, really take a look at
Yeah.
my answer.
From Adrita's one we got in our group. You can understand also. I showed you Lamisa's one. From there you can get idea.
Sir, could you please check my drawing?
I will check. Now it's not time to check everyone's drawing.
Sir, so should I send it
Yeah,
in
you can
Messenger?
send me. I will take it from everyone. Together I will
Okay,
check.
sir.
Okay. Now we are done with part A, right? Is
sir
it?
yes sir yes sir
Yes,
We
sir.
are going to now next part. Part B. Yeah. Lamisa, you continue here.
Straw holds an average of 4.0 centimeter cube of water when full. Suggest how this value could be checked.
Yeah, Abdullah raised hand. What happened, Abdullah? Each straw holds an average volume of 4 centimeter cube of water when full. Suggest how this value could be checked. So how can we find this value?
with the scale
With a scale you can measure volume.
Measuring cylinder.
Yes, measuring cylinder. You will fill the straws, right? All the straws you will fill, right? One after another.
Then we will put in the measuring cylinder.
Then you will take that amount of water into the measuring cylinder. Okay, for all of them. Whatever you are getting.
Sir, what is the process?
Sir, can you tell it again, sir?
You have to listen, just listen. Don't talk in between. Okay, just let me finish. If you have anything,
Then
then
talk.
at last you tell me. So what I was saying, I said that you have to fill the straw. Each of the straw you have to fill. You can fill it by pouring water. If you are keeping your finger at one end of the straw, then that end is closed, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that time you can keep water inside the straw. Water will go down and other side is stopped, so you can feel it that way. Another way is, Anmol Hussain, you raised hand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, could you draw it and explain us, sir? Then it would be better, sir.
So what I said, you don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Just you take one straw in your hand, right? And keep it straight on your hand.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
if you are keeping it straight on your hand, then this one end is closed, right?
Yes.
So if you are keeping it that place and you are keeping some water inside the straw, the water will go down, right? But water
Yes.
will not come out because the other side is kept your finger. Is it
Yes.
clear? So this way you are taking uh, for you can take on a single a single straw, and you can take the readings or take the volume for 5 times, right? The same way. This amount of water you will pour in measuring cylinder. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is not clear?
Sir.
B, the full one. I didn't understand.
Okay, I will show you now.
Sir, if you draw it and explain, sir, then everyone will understand it.
Like
It will be enough time.
you are holding the straw this way, huh? Straight, huh? On your palm you can take, or on your finger you can take, right? Straw is not a big one, right? It's a small one. Even a single figure is enough to stop this end, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes.
hold your finger here, then this end is closed, isn't it? Is it clear
Yes.
now, Lamisa?
Yeah, it will be closed.
Okay,
Yes.
now here you pour some water, and you will see once the straw will be filled, right? It's filled up.
Yeah.
Yes.
So once it is filled up, then you keep this water in a measuring cylinder. And this process you
Oh,
can do 5
the
times,
10
volume
10
of
times.
the water.
times, 7 times, 8 times, whatever possible. If you do 10 times, it is better. Okay. So
Sir,
Sir,
whatever
what if
you,
can
we
this
multiply with 10?
value be checked mathematically?
yeah, then
Yeah, like this
after
much.
Okay.
pouring,
Okay.
listen,
First,
Sir, can
listen,
we use
after,
the volume of cylinder formula?
yeah, after pouring all the water, like 10 times you are pouring the water in the measuring cylinder, you will get a volume, right? Isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If you are
Hello,
keeping
sir.
it 10 times, for example, it is coming 39 centimeter cube. How much is
Oh,
coming?
39 centimeter cube.
39.
Okay. So if you are calculating now 39 divided by 10, how much is
3.
coming?
3.9,
3.9 centimeter cube, which
3.9
is
each cent.
which is close to 4.
3.9. That means it is very close to 4 centimeter cube, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If it is coming 40 centimeter cube, then it is 4 centimeter cube, right?
which is the exact answer.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay,
So what
so
will be the answer?
what will be the?
Oh my god.
So like how will we write it? I
Okay, so
understood, but how will we write it?
this way you will write. You will take the reading
Oh.
uh, of each of the, the straws. You will fill each of the straws the way I told. You will describe that one and pour this amount of water, this volume of water in measuring cylinder. The same
10
process you
times.
will do. Whatever you can say 5 times. I told you 5 times, 10 times,
10 times 8,
or 7 times.
Or
Whatever you want, you can write that one. You will just show that you are taking the average, and you are also saying that you are using measuring cylinder. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
yes.
In
So
your
we
description,
will say like this.
in your description, measuring cylinder should come, and in your description, the average taking should come. Then you will get 2 marks. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can do it, right?
Yes. Yes.
So can
Is it
anyone
homework?
please write this in 2 steps, the description?
Lamisa, right?
Not Lamisa. This
Lamisa
time,
gone.
Taki.
we want another one.
Taki,
Anmol will
right?
write.
Dita.
Anmol,
Yes,
Anmol.
Anmol.
Sir, I don't,
Yes,
sir.
one more.
I'm not sure, sir.
No,
If I
Anmol, you are
make
the best.
mistake, sir.
It's
Anmol, you
okay,
write.
we're here.
You
No
wanted
problem,
to write
Anmol.
that time.
Yes,
You are so much,
Yes. Sir, I didn't.
we are
excited
going
to
to
write
fulfill
that time
your
I
wish.
saw. Now you write, Anmol.
The gift. Take it.
Anmol, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing?
Okay, sir. Let me try, sir.
Yes, try. If you try, you can succeed, inshallah.
Inshallah.
In your life.
I mean,
Sir, can you see anything, sir?
no.
Still not. Still not.
But sir, I'm writing, sir.
Give
Are
a
you
picture.
writing text?
Yes, sir.
It's not coming.
Sir, see, I told you, sir. In my laptop, the annotate doesn't work, sir. So how
What
can I
happened to
annotate?
Baksha Fahad?
Sorry, sir.
Okay,
I can't, sir. I can't annotate, sir.
you can't. Then Taki, you can write
Taki,
the
you are
text.
annotating.
Sir,
Taki, you.
I will try, inshallah.
Yes, try now.
Sir, how to write? Sir,
Here,
I'm using phone.
text format you write quickly.
Sir, phone sir text format থাকে না sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Okay,
can't, Taki?
sir, can I try?
Yes, you try.
আমি চাই
Lamisa, try. Lamisa.
Lamisa don't.
And everyone, you also write on your copy. Baksha Fahad, what are you doing?
Bacha
Sir,
Baba, why are
can
you
I write?
annotating?
Like, can I write the answer?
Yes,
Let
you
Lamisa
can.
write.
Okay.
I'm not sure, okay?
It's
No problem.
fine. It's more than okay. Already everyone got the idea. Just we are concluding.
Of the uh,
That should be copy what Lamisa is writing.
No. First we will take the average, or first we will take the reading for a
Reading.
single
Reading.
straw.
reading.
We will take the reading of a single straw
Yes.
Wait, sorry.
and then measure
My
it.
bad.
First,
Abdullah,
first
You are annotating. Why, Baba?
Sir, to Abdullah.
two Abdullahs,
Sir, left.
two Abdullahs.
First we will measure the average reading of a straw,
No.
right?
First you will fill each of
Take
the
the-
straws. Okay, one of the straws completely and pour this amount of liquid in measuring cylinder. Okay. First you will fill one of the straws. Time is very less, right, Lamisa? Do quickly.
Yes,
Of
sir.
water.
Sir, only
First we will fill with centimeter of water. Is it okay? I don't know.
We
I
can't
understand.
Coming yet. Okay, fine, I'm writing,
Coming?
no problem. First, you everyone also take the notes. First, we will fill one of the straws, one of the straws completely
with water.
With water.
And with water, right? With
Yeah,
water,
with water.
4.0 centimeter cube of water.
And
and
pour the water.
pour the water
Into the
in
measuring cylinder.
in the measuring
measuring
cylinder.
cylinder, right?
Into the measuring cylinder. Yes, sir.
Okay, measuring cylinder.
Then we will take a average reading of all these straws.
Do this process several times,
So
and
it will be doing this process, right?
take average.
Sir,
Take the
that's
average reading.
Of the volume.